I just show the application of the service based applications. These are responsive applications, means all services provided website boosting your business. So this is a service management system, means all type of services like wedding management, puja, and carpenting. All type of management system we have to provided us. Now we have to firstly services goes, so it can says firstly you can log in, then after goes to a services. Another part is that a franchisee, if you want that marketing services company, so if you're on business to produce a franchisee, so these features also available here. And price panel, we have to show that. Simply you can come to a get registration for a franchisee. All attributes is mandatory. You can insert it and submit. After submitting, verify the admin panel, and after give you subscriptions. In these sections, firstly you can entering the value. Suppose I just entry Adarsh Kumar Saturate. So you can, I just visible for my password, so but in your case you can disable your password. Addresses Delhi. My business a ticket counter. Ticket counter. New Delhi. GST number. UPI ID. Why I just get a UPI ID? Because it generate the QR code to payment on your customer side. Okay, and you can upload it the Aadhaar card and PAN card also. So if I not giving up, just uploaded, when I just submitted, so directly comes to a payment. So on your business, you just provided for franchisee registration charges, so simply you can scan and enter the UTR number and submit. So directly gives to a admin section. Firstly you can verify, then after starting your business through franchising. So this is a QR code scan. It is in that sections, it is a when you scan this QR code, so directly reflect the amount of 10,000 and not to be editable on your business marketing services. Okay, and after payment 10,000, enter the UTR number and submit it. Right now I just payment for it and UTR number and submit it. So you can give a franchisee receipt. Okay, and within a 48 hours confirm you can log in, and the franchisee booking status is pending. So booking barcode is available on here. If you want to print this, so you can easily print the data. Okay. can print this, and if you can scan the barcode, so this data will be downloaded on your mobile. Okay, so when I just entering the franchisee and the services, all of them, so firstly I just entering the franchisee part. Now we have to come for admin sections. Means how can manage the admin section. Basically this is a service-based software. Means all type of services here. So in that panel we have to provide a 2-day order, how many order will be provided services, total order, 2-day franchisee and total. In these sections we have to giving the franchisee order. So right now I just giving the franchisee order from Adarsh. Okay, franchisee order we have to give it. When I just clicking, so just directly goes to a franchisee panel, and in these sections we have to remove it. Okay. I just goes, so I just come the franchisee panel. When I just clear this, see all the messages, then it just clear out it, and 5 minutes it will be show the services order for a Sonakshi for a live puja darshans. So if any persons, like female persons, he can order for a puja darshans, so it can be a services provided, so also we can see them. Okay, so firstly I just come to a franchisee list. So this is a franchisee list. Right now I just entering, yeah, this is the 1911 to 25. This is a Adarsh email.com. This is the order will be provided us. So basically this is a franchisee is having a 1-year validations. So in that scenario expiry date will be at 19/11/2025 having expiry date. Okay, so all detail we have can see them. I just downloaded the JPG this data and see this. Yeah, it's cool. I just see this. Also we can see the photo and PAN card also. I just matched the UTR number. If a UTR number is wrong, so I click the wrong UTR number, and yes, UTR number is correct, so current status is unverified. So I just clicking payment update verify. So order status will be a verify status. Okay. Now we have to come to a services provided. Which type of services? So Sonachi Kumari. Join the Sonachi. Okay. Sonachi Kumari having live puja darshans services. Order status verified. So this order status is verified already, and both order will be verified already. I just clear the message. Okay, I just clear on it. When you giving a order and any contacting persons and any franchisee order, run time not if your page will be not reload. Suppose you just open an admin panel and your page will be at least 2 and 3 hours. No, your page is not will be reload. So not a issue. It's this message will be a run time you giving a data without refreshing. You just pop-up will be show currently will be 0, but pop-up will be show 2 and 3 message on your requesting, and you can see it directly goes to. Okay, so I just explain the all features in this sections. Add services, you can many more services you can add it. Simply use can go name and choose the photo, add service. now we have to go to sub service. Under the services like a puja darshans, we have to which type of puja, like a mata ki chauki या सत्यनारायण माँ का puja, like that, and prices will be entered on it. Now we have to come to a register. How many people we have to get a register? So after registering the people, automatically he can enable to a login. So listing of the customer, how many customer will we get register. Another is how many customer will be a contact us. If you want to contacting us, suppose I just demo for it. So it just register persons. So register person. So when I just goes to a servicing order, oops, login firstly. Okay, enter your email ID. I just use that email ID. And that password. So I can see under this user ID and under this ID which types of profile you can see it if you can log in for your ID. So after login for ID, you can see for order status and sign out button. You can see currently I just enter two services, so that's the reason giving a provided two services. When I just clicking read more, so it will be provided as like puja darshans. It can be described on it from and to date. We have to Shrine puja. Okay, and full address like Dwarka, New Delhi. Okay, when I just submitted on it, okay, so you can see a good job, service order will be successfully. When I just scan this barcode, and when I just scan this barcode, so it will provide 1,000 rupees, and enter the UTR number. UTR number and submit it. So my booking confirmations is going on and currently is pending. So booking status is providing a pending. Previous booking having a order to number booking is confirmed and PDF will be provided also. So when I just see the PDF, so you can see it PDF. And if you want to review that particular puja and also, so you can also review it. Okay, so you can review for these sections. Suppose I just use for a 3 star, so I just review for good services. Okay, I just submit on it, so review will be sent on here. So everything you can manage for these sections. Okay, and you can see it your pending status. You can be so in that section without refreshing we can see it. One order will be giving me, and you can see the order follow booking durations for 30 November to 19 November. Through our services descriptions means address is Dwarka, New Delhi. So I just in that sections we have to verify it on here. When I just refreshing the page, so we have to see status will be a confirm. Also we have to rate it down here. Now similarly I just says the contact us. When I just contact any persons will be contact any regarding services, so that contact list will be also provide us review list also. So when I just review for any persons, so not listed here, means when I just come to a home page and goes to a testimonial area, this is a feedback area actually. So currently I just only for a she for a Soumya Kumari, because I just activate for it. Means if you can rating for, if any person's rating on your services, so your analyst you can see for this review is good for or not on your business, it's a good, so activate. When you activated, so run time will be show on here website also. Suppose I just activated for this, not up, only for this, so good services performance. When I just refresh this page, so you can see two services. Good working performance. Okay, when I activate all of review, so we can see for a 3 review, Soumya Kumari and Sonakshi Kumari. Okay, now if any person is a blocker, unbehavior, so when I just clicking a blocking user, so it just good. But runtime having a block user, so that's why it just goes to a dashboard. Okay, now we have to go to a services order list. This is a services order list and you can already see it, and this is the franchisee order list. Okay, thank you for watching, see you next time.